Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 10 search bar not working fixed. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type regedit, OK. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click Search. Right-click, New DWORD 32-bit value. Type Bing search enabled. Change value to 0. Close and exit registry editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.